हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप ठीक होंगे। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है व्हाट इज़ veeam क्लाउड बैकअप प्रोवाइडर्स। veeam क्लाउड बैकअप प्रोवाइडर्स क्या है? veeam क्लाउड कनेक्ट इज़ अ क्लाउड बेस्ड बैकअप एंड डिज़ास्टर रिकवरी (DR) solution that allows organization to store their backups in the cloud. veeam Cloud Connect providers are third-party companies that offer veeam Cloud Connect server. These are providers can provide a variety of services including off-site backup storage, disaster recovery, compliance reporting, managed services. When choosing a veeam Cloud Connect provider, there are a few things are considered, such as the provider location, the type of cloud they are offer, and their pricing. Here are some of the benefits of using veeam Cloud Connect. Off-site backup storage. veeam Cloud Connect provides offer off-site backup storage which can help protect your data and disasters such as fires, floods, and cyber attacks. Disaster recovery. veeam Cloud Connect provider can also help you with the disaster recovery. This means that if your primary data center goes down, you can quickly restore your data for the cloud. Compliance reporting. veeam Cloud Connect providers can help you with compliance reporting. This means that you can easily track your backups and ensure that they are compliant with industry regulations. Managed services. Some veeam Cloud Connect providers offers managed services. That means that they will take care of all of the day-to-day tasks associated with your backups, such as monitoring, maintenance, and troubleshooting. If you are looking for a cloud-based backup and DR solution, veeam Cloud Connect is a good option to consider. There are number of veeam Cloud Connect providers available, so you can choose one of the meets your specific needs. Here are some of the most popular veeam Cloud Connect providers: veeam, Datto, Rubrik, Curiosity, StorageCraft. I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any other questions. Enter your prompt here.